Good evening, everyone. This is a remake of my impression video for Orvus from Ratchet and Clank, A Crack in Time. Hope you enjoy the video, and here we go. Have I ever told you about my son? Remarkable boy, quite smart. He was born in a robot factory in the Solana galaxy. But to be precise, he was created much farther away. My son's name is XJ0461, but the universe knows him as Clank. The clock, much like time itself, is a gift and not to be tampered with. But, like any father, my only wish is that my son does that which makes him feel whole. You are an intelligent and logical being, Clank, but intelligence and logic would have been wasted gifts without honor and loyalty. I am proud to see you came into those on your own. So, should the clock be too small for your plans, I pray the cosmos light the way towards a future you yourself design. And remember, the universe has a wonderful sense of humor. The trick is learning how to take a joke. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good night, everyone, and I'll see y'all soon.